Hi guys, it is night actually, as you can see, and welcome back. And it's a blizzard. This is the first one of the year. We haven't had one like this since last year. I know. Anyways, I'm here with my dad and my mom and Joss. She's in the back, but it started off like a really pretty snow at first, but now everything's like slushy and everything is windy and wet. But you know, when life gives you blizzards, you have to take pictures. So tomorrow I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna dress up really nice, and I'm gonna have a photo shoot. And Joss is coming with me.
Heck yeah.
Alright, yeah. Look at all this snow. Yeah, so we're heading home. I think I'll vlog this actually, to be honest, because I'm probably gonna vlog this because what's it called? Since it's a blizzard, I might do stuff tomorrow. We'll see how it is tomorrow. But anyway, see you. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a new day, and remember this not storm, but the blizzard that I talked about? Well, this is the result.
Well, yeah.
Well, you know what? Common sense. Everything's covered in snow. And now I'm gonna go to a photo shoot location.
Are we going right here?
Huh? Where?
Right here, where I told you.
You never told me anything.
Yeah, I did. In fall, I was like, one day I want to do a photo shoot over there because the pretty trees.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No.
Yeah.
No. So we're going to a secret photo shoot location, and it's like a secret, obviously, because like it's not really a secret, but I just think not that many people use it. So I'm like, oh my god, I think I'm gonna be the first one. And oh no, right over here. Where do I park? Ah, I don't know where. Oh, right here.
Make a little U-turn and
Right here.
Okay. You could park on that side of the road too.
I can really.
Yeah, the police does it all the time. I'm kidding. The neighbors do it. I mean, not the neighbors. They're not even our neighbors.
Okay, let's hope I can.
No, yeah, you can park on that side.
Joss, are you freaking sure? I'm not trying to.
Yes, I'm
today.
freaking sure.
Oh, you're dead.
The people.
So
also.
Where should I park? Here?
Yeah, right there.
Are you sure? Joss,
Yes, yeah.
Joss, you're gonna pay for the ticket if we get ticketed. Okay?
Ticketed?
Okay, Joss?
Okay.
Listen, your door's freaking open. Close your dang door.
Oh crap! I didn't even see. Sorry. Okay. So yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. I don't even have my license. Oh my god. Should I go back?
Sure.
No, I'm not trying to go back. It's too long.
Okay.
Alright, let's just stay here.
Okay.
Alright,
Oh, never mind.
let's do this.
Let's.
We're here! Yeah! Oh my god, it looks so cool in person actually. Like, I actually think I'm in a forest. Yes! I'm freaking excited. Yes? Yeah, right there. That's the location. That's the location right there. Yeah. Alright, so we don't have another camera, so we're just gonna, whatever pictures I took here and before, I'll just put them here. Do you like them? I really like them. I really like them. Alright. Alright, so time to take some pictures. Yeah! Okay, so update. It's currently getting dark, and the phone freaking died, and so
But we got some
I don't
good
have
ones.
time for unprofessional stuff like this. Anyway, so now 2 more minutes for the phone to charge, and then we're gonna take some more pictures. This time we're gonna go that direction because we went that direction that time. Anyway, but yeah, stay tuned, I guess. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we're in Target again. So we're hanging with my cousin, Baby A, and I'm trying to see where they went. Oh, well, there's Gunny. Hey, hello. Where'd he go? Hello? He's in there. He's in there. You guys see his beautiful smile? Whoa.
Okay, so we're here now, and honestly, if you ask me, I could be a vlogger mom. Or look, is there a problem? I could be a vlogger mom because look at how good I am. Vlogmas, what do you think? Look at me. Look at these stuffed animals. Look at these stuffed animals. Dada. Hello, Dadas. Dadas, what pizza are you eating? Why, sorry. Okay, well, my pizza I'm eating. I got the pizza. What was it? A regular cheese pizza, and I put cheese in one half and cheese on the other. Well, no, I put Parmesan cheese on one half and the other one I just left it plain, even though it still has cheese. And that is Ken's got a garden, right? The garden pizza.
Garden.
Okay.
Garden vegetable.
Heck to no. Wow. We're spending some quality time. Oh yeah, and look at this baby. ¡Qué volteó! Welcome to another day, another vlog. Okay, so what you just saw there was I went to Panera because today was actually my first day of finals, and it was my math one, which was so convenient because it was like the first day and I only had 2 days to study for it, and I think I did good, but at the same time I was like, I wanted to like take a break. I was like, oh my god, that was my first final. So I got a smoothie. I showed it earlier, but I got a peach blueberry smoothie. It's my favorite actually. I haven't tried the rest of them, but I'm going to Whole Foods to get some chicken, and I don't know what else actually, but yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on. Anyways, let's go. Oh my god, the camera's blurry. Dang it! First pick up our raspberries because my mom was like, hey, give me raspberries. Actually, I'm gonna get 2 because I love her so much. Dang, what the frick? $5 Alright. I still love you, mother, but that's a whole... anyways. Stop we're going to is the chicken. I'm going home. This is a really weird angle, like, wow, I look really golden. Okay, he's gone. Alright, we're safe. And first of all, I should have addressed these things before I started, but it's okay, we're already in the middle of this video. I indeed look really rough right now, I know. I was gonna pull an all-nighter yesterday to study for my math final, but I was too tired. I was like, no, it's not gonna happen. Also, I sound congested because I've been sick for like the past week and a half. Alright, well, I gotta go home. See you guys in a bit. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so now that you watched that whole video, first of all, oh by the way, I'm wearing glasses in case you haven't noticed. I actually don't wear glasses. They're just, I mean, I do wear glasses. What am I talking about? Whatever. You don't even care anyway. But I hope you like that intro, like of my name and whatever. Oh my god, it's not even a big deal, but I was so proud of it. It satisfied me, and I was like yes, and I did it because obviously it's December, it's the Christmas season, and I wanted to do something that had to do with that, you know. Anyways, so yeah, I'm aware that I haven't posted since like a month or two ago, to be honest, and I've honestly missed it a lot, like I don't know, since I created ever since I created my first video, I was like, dang, this is so much fun, like I want to keep doing this. But then freaking life attacked me, and I just started getting busy with work and school, and I know that's not like an excuse, because either way there's a lot of people that still manage their time to do it, but I'm still not good at that. I'm not good at managing my time in general. Right. So in this video that you just saw, these were like recent clip. This is a recent video. These are clips that I didn't delete, because they were like, oh, I can make a video out of this because this is like a week in my life vlog, kinda. It's like a blizzardy behind the scenes photo shoot and just like Target stuff. So yeah, I thought it would work out, and it did, and I really liked how it turned out. You know how like most YouTubers, they do like vlogmas, and they record like every single day in December until Christmas or something like that. That's kind of intense for me because that's a lot. And I just thought of maybe I should just do a 12 days of Christmas, but at the same time I'm like, that's still recording every day, and I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do it. But that's kind of like an idea that I'm doing. I hope I get through all these 12 days. I'm probably only gonna get through like 2, but I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, this video is gonna be considered like my vlogmas day 1, I guess you can say. It's like a countdown, like 12 days countdown to Christmas, I guess. So when you're seeing this, it's gonna be December 12th, and from there it's gonna be the countdown all the way to Christmas. And yeah, that's really all I had to say for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around for tomorrow. Hopefully I can post tomorrow for vlogmas day 2. But yeah, in the meantime, see you tomorrow. Or yeah. All right, bye.